Ay, naku, grabe. Ang taas ng energy nyo, ha? Good evening po sa inyo lahat. It's good to see you again, everyone.
Hello, LA! What's up? Na-miss niyo kami? Yes? Wow. Hey, guys.
Super na-miss din po namin kayong lahat. Naku, we're super excited to perform for all of you tonight. Kasi ito pong tour namin na to, ang Always JD. Naku, ito makikita niyo yung ibang side naming dalawa ni James. Kasi dito po, talagang hands-on kami with the songs, with the costumes, with the visuals as well. So yan, super excited po kami mag-perform.
Also tonight you'll be hearing one of my own compositions. So I'm really excited for that. I know you're gonna love it, and I'm really proud of it. So tonight we're not here as just Jadine that you see on TV, but we're here as performers because it's what we love to do. Okay?
That's right. Ayan, and before anything else, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for being here tonight. Ayan, meron na naman ulit akong nakikitang mga familiar faces. Hey guys, thank you. Maraming salamat. And of course, we would like to thank everyone na sumusuporta sa amin online. As in, non-stop voting. Thank you sa mga bumoto sa KCA. Maraming salamat.
You're the best, JDs. Thank you so much for always watching our movies, for always watching our teleseries, for always supporting us. So welcome to Always JD.
Sinong nakakamiss dito sa Till I Met You? Mga Timillennials, taas ang kamay!
Atualistas!
Meron palang mga tao sa taas. Hey guys! Sorry, hindi namin kayo nakikita pero hello! Kamusta po kayo? Ayan, we also have a treat for all the Timillennials and mga Otwalistas ngayong gabi. So, ayan, abangan niyo po yan. We love you guys. Maraming salamat. Alright, may naririnig akong nag-I love you kay Basti. Alam mo, super nakakatuwa po kasi before, nung may Otwal pa, tsaka nung may Till I Met You pa, hindi James na din ang tawag nila sa amin. Leia. Tapos pati yung mga bata, ang tawag sa akin, Ate Leia. Tapos kay James naman, Kuya Clark or Kuya Basti. But anyway, huwag nating patagalin pa. I know we're all excited to hear James's new songs. Excited ba kayo? Yeah! Alright? So, iwan ko na siya sa inyo. I hope you all enjoy.